Hi guys, this is Nicole Glass, and in today's super quick video, I'm just going to be talking about how you can get that nice bokeh of out of focus lights without actually using lights. Take a look at this photo. When you place an object in front of something like Christmas lights or something of that nature, you can get a really nice shot with those out of focus lights in the background, and this just makes the photo or the object that's being photographed look a whole lot cooler. But have no fear. If you don't have Christmas lights, or any lights for that matter, there is a very fast way to achieve this effect. All you need is a computer or a screen and a photograph. So chances are you might have a photo in your archive already of some out of focus lights, and you can actually use that photo. You can pull that photo up on your screen, place an object in front of it, and photograph the object with that photo in the background. Now, if you don't have your own photo, you can easily download one such photo from a stock photography platform. I actually downloaded a few before making this video, and then simply place your objects in front of the screen. I only have a few objects in my office that are worth using, but here are a few quick photos I took of these objects with a nice out of focus background. So that's it for today's super quick, probably 1-minute video. Enjoy the rest of your day, subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you in the next video.